Yo, what's good guys, it's LT Trades back at it with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over the trade that I took Monday, March 9th, 2026. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I did was I marked out um, the sessions, London, Asian, and New York, open and pre-market as well. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so I marked out the previous sessions and then um, I marked out the previous session highs and the previous session low. So Asian high, Asian low, London high, London low, and then the New York high, New York low as well. So after that, I went to the 4-hour time frame, highest time frame, whole entire power. I saw that we did have this big new week opening gap. So you know this was a pretty significant draw on liquidity for the day. And I looked at the 4-hour, it was about like right here. I saw that we weren't doing much. We had this big new week opening gap. We're probably going to go up and fill it. That was my idea. Um, but I went to the 1-hour time frame, and I saw that we did have, these lower, these two lows. We did have a bunch of 5-minute low resistance liquidity to the downside, and then we had this uh, high right here as well. Um, so um, I was like, okay, I think that we're gonna go lower. We did take out London High, and we did um, it was London manipulation, New York reversal, right? So I did want to end up seeing shorts today. Um, Price ended up opening. We took out London highs on NQ, um, but we didn't on ES, creating a bearish S&T divergence. ES was the leading index on this. So I was like, okay, and that gave me, a lot of confidence in my bias of seeing shorts, and I was like, okay, this was like a pretty great. Hopefully you can get a good setup. And then I saw we had this 5-minute break structure right here, as well as this 5 minutes fair value gap right here. We did tap into this fair value gap, so what I do, I went down to the 1-minute time frame, and I saw that oh yeah, wait a second. I saw that we broke structure, I believe, right here. I don't think it. Sorry guys, I got a little messed up because I didn't have my entry. But yeah, so we tapped into it right here, and then I saw that we broke structure on this candlestick right here. Um, we did on, I don't know if we did on ES clearly, but we did on MES on this candlestick. So what I do, I entered short right here. I set stops above the fair value gap, and then I set um, my take profit 1 down here at about a 1:1, and then my take profit 2 down here about a 2.6 restore ratio. We did end up getting stopped out, which was totally okay. I think the main reason why I got stopped out is because we had this big new week opening gap that, um, you know, that we're probably going to want to come up and fill for the day. Um, as well as, we did have these highs right here, which I don't know if these were mainly high time frame significant draws on liquidity. But I know for a fact that this was right here, and I know that we did sweep it on NQ, not on ES, and I go off the most recent high time frame liquidity sweep, right? So we took this, and then I want to see shorts off of that, right? We did end up actually breaking structure to the downside on the 1-hour time frame, so it was even, better. right? So taking out these high time frame draws on liquidity, use the most significant high time frame draw on liquidity, which is London highs, and we did take them out on NQ, not an ES. Initial bias was short, and it was looking pretty good. We had a bunch of low resistance liquidity to the downside as well. Now I want to see shorts. So as you can tell, NQ took out this high. We go off the most recent high time frame liquidity sweep, which is a sweep of this high, London high, and then ES didn't, forming that SMT. And I want to trade ES because ES was the leading index. But yeah, we ended up getting stopped out today, which was totally okay because it was just a drop in the probability bucket. I followed my rules and my strategy to a T, so I'm honestly happy with this trade, and I was very confident in taking this trade, and I'd take it again as well. Even though I was a loser, it was still my strategy to a T, and there's more winners in this than losers, right? And I'm gonna win more of the time because my backtested data and my risk reward, it's gonna overweight all those L's and make them W's. So yeah, overall, I was happy with the trade I took. I was very confident in this trade, and yeah, honestly, I think it was just mainly because this new week opening gap, as well as the war and stuff, oil's up and stuff like that. So I'm happy with this trade I took today, and we got the rest of the week, and we're gonna eat, baby. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.